Hi all, we're back to talk more about lip care and to debunk some of the myths you may have heard.
When we were developing Watermelon Glow Lip Pop, we learned a lot about what customers were looking for in lip care products. But what stood out the most was that some people actually thought lip products were doing more harm than good, which isn't the case.
So today we're debunking these myths with facts. Let's get right to it.
Myth number 1. Using too much lip balm can make your lips dry out.
The most common lip balms have a mineral oil or petroleum base, which are highly occlusive and trap in moisture rather than draw them out.
So while bases like this may not be actively infusing your lips with healthy ingredients, they definitely aren't drawing anything out. If you're looking for a balm that's super hydrating, these may not be the best fit for you.
Steer clear of formulas that only create that emollient barrier without actually infusing the lips with added ingredients.
To really get the most out of your lip balm, look for a formula with a more nourishing base. For example, we made Watermelon Glow Lip Pop with cold-pressed watermelon seed oil and jojoba oil. These oils are rich in amino acids that help strengthen your skin.
Lip Pop is also infused with hydrating watermelon extract and healing vitamin E to keep lips feeling soft and plump.
Myth number 2. Once you start using lip balm, you can't stop.
There are rumors that using lip balms too often can cause a physiological dependency. Thankfully, that's been debunked by several doctors and dermatologists.
If your lips feel more dry after applying a balm, it's possible you've developed a sensitivity to the ingredients. Cooling ingredients such as menthol, which may feel soothing at first, can also have a drying effect.
If that's the case, it's best to see your dermatologist to rule out another condition like cheilitis. They can also confirm whether or not you have an allergy or sensitivity to the lip balm ingredients you're using so that you can find the right formula for you.
Myth number 3. Licking your lips makes your lips even more dry.
This is actually true. In reality, licking your lips too often can cause excessive dryness.
This is because as the saliva evaporates from your lips, it can take the remaining moisture with it as well.
Your lips lose moisture faster than the rest of your skin. They don't have oil glands, so there's a much weaker barrier to protect them from transepidermal water loss, and this means a lip balm is essential to protect them.
If your lip balm isn't made with a nourishing enough occlusive, it may have the same effect as it evaporates, making your lips feel just as dry as before you applied it.
Myth number 4. You don't need to exfoliate your lips.
Even though the skin on your lips is different from any other skin on your face, it still needs to be exfoliated.
As we've mentioned before, your lips don't have oil glands, making them prone to drying out, cracking, and flaking.
While hydration is important, so is exfoliation to achieve a smooth and soft look.
We included both a gentle physical exfoliant and a light chemical exfoliant in the Watermelon Glow Lip Pop formula. You'll find coconut sugar in there, which buffs away dry flakes really gently. Then it dissolves into a smooth, creamy formula so it's not harsh.
This is also why we use flower-derived AHA in Lip Pop. They're infused with botanical benefits in addition to being gentle, so they're smoothing and nourishing all at the same time.
Exfoliating your lips is also an important makeup prep step, which brings us to the next myth.
Myth number 5, you need to remove lip balm before applying lip color.
You may actually benefit more by leaving your lip balm on when you apply color. As long as it's a formula that absorbs quickly and isn't too heavy and leaves a thick layer on the lips, you may actually benefit more from leaving your lip balm on before you apply color.
This way, your lips feel super hydrated and it ensures your color goes on evenly.
We made Lip Pop with a subtle pink tint too, which can add a punch to any color you layer on top.
And having smooth, moisturized lips as a base will help your color last longer and look even better.
So to recap, yes, we do benefit from using lip balms. If you're noticing any adverse effects, just make sure you talk to your doctor so you can find a formula that works best for you.
And if you want to learn about the skin on the lips and how to take care of it, you can watch our Lip Care 101 video here.
Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Get your glow on!